D&D Davidson here, liveweatherblogs.com overnight edition. Good morning, this is the overnight edition of liveweatherblogs.com, and we're going to take a look at this surface map that is moving here. It's going to show you through Saturday. The surface map starts here. Stop it. Starts with the current map. We have an outflow boundary. You can see where that's at. It's very well drawn here from the Hydrological Prediction Center, where these storms have stopped and it's blown out. I've described this with when the rain blows out of the thunderstorm, drops to the ground, blows out the wind, and you get the outflow boundary, which will be tomorrow's possibility of severe weather, which will be primarily in this area, parts of New York and northern parts of Ohio, northeastern parts like Erie, Pennsylvania. This is going to be your tomorrow's definite area that we need to watch for severe thunderstorms. As you see, the low pressure is all the way up in Canada now. The triple point kind of has gone to that, minimize the amount of tornadic probabilities that would occur here in the area of Michigan. Has pushed up. The lows finally kicked out. That's caused all that rain. We had a little bit of showers, thunderstorms develop along a trough here in the area here down near Atlanta, Georgia. We also have, where the thunderstorms expanded, a low pressure system out western Oklahoma, and a highs building in behind. We also have fires going on in Southern California. Not sure exactly how that is been sparked, but we may be covering some information on that in the next couple days here on liveweatherblogs.com. And we also have a tropical wave moving to the west here, down in near Florida. I'm going to continue this and move this on into tomorrow and so forth. See the redevelopment area, and we also have a trough that might get some thunderstorms going here in the Roanoke Valley, also in the parts of the Delaware Valley, so I won't be surprised if we get some showers and thunderstorms. And Saturday, further into this area, may do the same thing. Your severe threats in the next couple of days are mainly going to be here. You're going to have this kick in tomorrow to the north, the parts of the northeast, and then kick back out on the weekend. Kick back out here in Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin area on Sunday. Won't be surprised with some isolated severe weather here on Saturday in the eastern areas. We're going to take a look at tropics now, which is getting actually active. Taking a look, coming off Africa, you have some instability here. There's this area right in here that has some signs of some low pressure. This may or may not get its act together and cause it's going to be running some dry air, so this has lots of a shot of developing. We're going to move a little further to the west. We have an area in the Caribbean that's actually more likely that could get its act together. We're definitely looking at a better environment here. We have an upper level low here that's not going to shear too much off this storm. It's off this system as it moves to the west. It's going to get into a better environment here and here. This is a better environment area to get into to make a development stage. So we have to keep an eye on this system for the next couple of days to see if it will get itself together. But they're definitely talking about how this is an area to watch. So we'll be watching here at liveweatherblogs.com and make sure nothing develops and threatens the Gulf Coast. And Eastern Pacific's really dying off now. Tropical Depression 6, it might be gone by the next advisory. It's really been torn apart. I'm not even going to get really into it because the forecast basically says for it to die off in the next little while. Let's continue in. We're having into the weekend, so why not take a look at some tell you some forecast numbers for areas that I picked out for beach forecasts. Let's start in Wildwood, New Jersey. We're gonna have a pretty nice weekend. Chance of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, with 94 as the high on Saturday, and Sunday we're gonna get a little nicer, 88 degrees, and less chance of showers and thunderstorms. So Sunday would be the better of two beach days. But if you go down there, you're gonna be doing it more of a hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. This is not going to be a washout either of the 2 days. Moving down the coast, we're going to move to the Virginia Beach area now. Sliding down Norfolk, Virginia now. In the Virginia Beach area. Also, we're going to start off with Saturday with some chances of showers and thunderstorms. These are going to be scattered variety, about 30 to 40% chance. 93 in Norfolk. A little bit cooler, 89 down at the beach with a sea breeze that might kick in at Virginia Beach. And Sunday, nicer of the 2 days, 88 degrees. both days. Sliding further down the beach, we're going to go down to Holden Beach, which is in North Carolina. This is located not far from the area north of Myrtle Beach, which we'll also go to. Going down to Holden Beach, this is going to be a real nice area. Less chances of shower and thunderstorms, about 20% chance on both days. This is going to be a nice area to go. The ocean water temperatures up near 80. Go enjoy it. 88 degrees both days, Saturday and Sunday. Um, Beautiful time to go down to Holden Beach and enjoy yourself. Now we're going to go down to Myrtle, which is about the forecast has just a little bit more heat to it. We actually have heat of 90 degrees on Saturday and possibly some thunderstorms with kicking in with sea breeze. And we had showed you that tropical wave. If enough moisture gets in the atmosphere for Myrtle Beach, we actually may have a shower or thunderstorm. Like I said, 90 on Saturday and 88 on Sunday. We're going to go further south now. We're going to get into Florida here. Port St. Lucie. Port St. Lucie is located not far from Stewart or Palm City, and this is going to be north of your West Palm Beach area. Beautiful area. If you've never been there, I would tell you to go down there and enjoy yourself, especially that area of Stewart and Indian River. It's a beautiful area. If you like golf, and there's a lot of golf down there to do also. But let's take a look at the forecast. We're looking at 92 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday with isolated thunderstorms both days possible, but it will not be a washout. And taking a look at a landmark back in Virginia, Smith Mountain Lake. Smith Mountain Lake is located in Moneta, Virginia. There's a lot you can do at Smith Mountain Lake. Smith Mountain Lake is a beautiful area to go to do some parasailing and things like that. Smith Mountain Lake is located about 30 minutes outside of Roanoke. 94, much like the temperatures you're going to get in the Roanoke Valley. 94 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday, with chances of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday as your main threat. As I said, you're not far from Roanoke, Virginia. We're going to zoom out here. You see Roanoke's right there, and Smith Mountain Lake is right there. So you're not very far from Roanoke, and if you're in the Roanoke Valley and have never been to Smith Mountain Lake, take advantage of it. It's a beautiful place to go. Taking now a look at your 5-day forecast. 95 with a heat index of 105 to 110 tomorrow. Stay hydrated. 68 tomorrow for the low. Going into Saturday morning, 88 Saturday and Sunday. Saturday has its best chance of scattered shower and thunderstorms. Some may be on the severe side. Keep yourself tuned to liveweatherblocks.com here. Monday 89, Tuesday 89, and we're going to drop hopefully to near 65 as a low with some drier air on Tuesday. This will conclude the forecast part of liveweatherblocks.com overnight edition. We're going to have a secondary blog here. It's going to be on the threats of hurricanes in the New York and New Jersey area. This is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblocks.com overnight edition.